Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss Literature Chapter 8, The Ballad of the Tempest by James T. Fields. James Thomas Field, who was an American publisher, editor, as well as a poet. First of all, to introduce the poem, Ballad of the Tempest by James T. Fields describes the experience of a ship crew as they go through a storm. The poem has a religious theme as the sailors, being reminded of God, alleviates their fears of dying in the storm. Ballad of the Tempest was written by James Thomas Fields, and now I am going to start the summary of the poem. Once a ship was caught by the violent storm. In this poem, the poet describes the situation and condition of the sailors. The poem is a ballad and it is one of the poet's masterpiece. Here, the speaker of the poem is the sailor. Really, voyage on the sea is an adventurous task. Here, the poem starts in which the sailors had to face great danger. The ship was caught by the violent storm at midnight. All the sailors had crowded in the cabin. Though it was midnight, no one dared to sleep. All were frightened. The storm was very deep. It was fearful because it was winter season. The ship was to break apart by the gust of wind. The sailors heard the rattling sound of the trumpet and someone thundered to cut away the mast. Means the scene was horrible. It was the winter midnight and everyone was scared of a forthcoming death. They all were in deep sorrow and grief. All sailors were silenced out of fear. Even the strongest brave person had held his breath. The sea was roaring like a hungry lion as it is going to engulf all of the crew sailors. The large turbulent waves talked with death and moving towards the land. All were sitting in the darkness. It was a stormy night and a thunderstorm was there, and so that was the darkness described here. Everyone was praying God for their safety. At that moment, the captain shouted that they were lost when he was coming unsteadily down the stairs. His little daughter was also there on that deck, and the little daughter came out and by her innocent heart whispered. She took her father's cold hands and said that God upon the ocean was the same as on land, isn't it? Here, the girl want to give the message that we should never stricken our sake in God. We should have full faith in God. By hearing her talk, all got some hope and prayed the God earnestly. All were kissed the little maiden. Suddenly, the astonishing change occurs, and the sailors anchored the ship safely in the harbor. The morning in the sky was shining very clearly. The danger, which comes like a mountain, could disappear like a scent. Fortune favors the brave, and God is everywhere, but man should have faith in Him. So, throughout this poem, what has been shown, what has been discussed, that doesn't matter howsoever are the drastic situations, but we should never lose our hope and faith in God. That is the message of the poem. So it is the poem up to here, students. I hope you enjoyed it, and I want you to go once more for your reading of the poem and then try to conclude the ideas throughout the poem. Thank you. Have a nice day.